Do you want to know something crazy? There is a guitarist who turned 134 subscribers into his monthly salary in 1 month. And do you want to know something even crazier? He did this in a 10 million population country. And probably right now you are like, why does this matter? But let me show you. If you look at this, there is 1.46 billion people who speak English around the world. That means that if you do a course in English, then you possibly can sell it to 1.46 billion people. Of course, out of this 1.46 billion people, nobody has the same interest, so you can't sell it, but that is the maximum amount of people. Now, if you look at how many people are speaking Hungarian, it's 30 million. That is the max. Like, you can't sell to more people because nobody else speaks Hungarian in this world, but 30 million people. Now imagine out of these 30 million people, how many actually likes to play the guitar or wants to learn how to play the guitar? It's not a lot. But if you want to know something still crazier, is that we went on a trip with the money. So if you want to do this yourself and you are interested how we did it, this is exactly step by step of the process of what we did to get to this point. So how we started. This guy was a teacher in my school and he was always interested in the online space. We have talked about the online space for a while now. I was an editor for YouTubers when we talked about this, and he was always interested in YouTube. He was always posting on Instagram. He always wanted to record his concerts and stuff like this. So he knew about the online space, but let's be honest, he's kind of middle-aged, so he has a disadvantage. He doesn't know the same trends that we do, and he didn't grow up with these type of mobile phones and things like this, so it's harder for him to understand the market and how can you do this. And all the time when we were together, I always told him we could create an online course and it would be so good. It's an insane opportunity because nobody does this in our country. And he was skeptical at first. He didn't want to do it. I told him again, didn't want to do it. Told him again, didn't want to do it. And then 6 months later he said, okay, let's do it. Tell me what to do. It's a funny story and I was very excited because it was a so random day. And if you're wondering what was the first thing that came to my mind is, what are his unique advantages? Now, this is very important because this is something that sets you apart from everybody else. There is no shortcut in success. Everybody tells you that. But if there were, it would be unique advantages. These are advantages that you have and others don't have. For example, if you want to create videos for car companies and your dad has a car company, that's an unfair advantage. A unique advantage that other people don't have. And his unique advantage, which is unfair, that he has been teaching for 15 plus years, which is insane. It makes our job so much easier because he has been teaching for a long time. He saw everything. He already knows what works and what doesn't work. He knows what type of people succeed, what type of people don't succeed. He knows what is the first thing that needs to be taught and what is the last thing that needs to be taught. He knows everything about the teaching process, which is very important, and it made us cut the program creation time in half or more because we didn't have to do any research at all because he has been doing research for 15 plus years. But on that note, we created a program and we decided on what the course will teach. The course will teach people how to learn the guitar, the basics of the guitar. So people who never ever held a guitar in their hand, after this program, they will know how to play the guitar. They will know how to play their favorite songs. This was our main idea and this was our main goal. Targeting people that you probably know as well, who have the guitar in the corner of their room, but they never ever played it because, oh, I will learn someday. And we realized the thing that stops them from learning is they don't have a great resource. They don't have an easy route. They can search on YouTube, but there are not many Hungarian videos that teach you from the beginning and gets you to the end. So the next step was to create a system that can take you there, that can take you from point A to point B, from not knowing how to play the guitar to actually knowing how to play the guitar. And again, this was very easy because we had 15 plus years of experience. So we came up with a system that can take anybody from point A to point B, that can guarantee results. And the system was 10 lessons, worksheets, and solo practice. This is something that you need to think about. What can take anybody to point B? And what is the system that can guarantee the results that they will get to point B? And the big mistake that some people do here is not put in solo practice. They are leaving out solo practice and it's just worksheets and 10 lessons. But this way you can guarantee results because you know that you need solo practice to achieve these results. So when you are creating the system, think about what they need and of course try to make it as easy as possible, but getting the result, even if it's harder, is better than not getting the result. And something that we did that I don't advise to do is we created a high quality course. We got like 3 cameras, lights, 2 microphones, and we did quality editing. And I don't advise to do it for you, for your program. And you may ask why. Like, I do this, but I don't advise to do this. It doesn't really make sense. But it was all because of the unfair advantage, because of this advantage that we already know how and what works, and we just have to document it. We don't have to think about like, okay, will this work? We don't have to think about like, okay, will that work? We just record the course and it's done. You don't have to upgrade it anymore because we already have 15 years of experience. But if you don't have that and you record a quality course, you might have to later update the material because this doesn't work, that doesn't work, that changed. So all these changes makes that you have to update the material. And if you have like a high quality material, it's harder to update it. But because we had the 15 years of experience, we did this. We did the quality editing. We did the 3 camera setup. We wanted to make it one time, and we wanted to make it so quality, like never ever seen before quality in Hungary. Now, it's questionable if we achieved that, but it's probably more quality than 99% of the online programs out there. It's fair to say that. Oh, and one more thing. It wasn't just the 15 years of experience. After we created the 10 lessons and the worksheets and the solo practice, we tested on 2 or 3 people and we went through the lessons and it was like ready to go. So we knew that this works. You have to do this yourself. You have to create beta runs. You have to get beta students who achieve the results to prove that it works. Not just for you, but for potential clients as well. Okay, so we had the program. It was easy to create in terms of the content, the meat and potatoes, but it was hard to create because of the quality that we did. Okay, so let's move on to the content strategy. The program was in the making, but we had to start building an audience. So we didn't start the content after the program was 100% done. We started when the program was in the making, and we started recording videos and uploading it to build an audience. And because we knew who did the program help exactly, we created content for them. It was that easy. Again, unfair advantage. We used my content knowledge and his guitar knowledge, and nobody can compete on the quality. And this was like an insane proposition in our own country. And this is why it was powerful to do it in Hungarian language and not in English, because if you take our own unfair advantages together, nobody can compete with it. If somebody is better at camera quality, he has better videos, he has better cameras, he has better audios, they can't play the guitar as good as we are doing in this course. But if somebody plays the guitar better than we do, they don't have the nice quality picture. This is the power of a two-man team with complementary skill sets. You alone couldn't create a guitar course like this, because again, if you create better image quality, it won't be better guitar playing. But if it's better guitar playing, then it's not that nice of a picture quality. But okay, this sounds like so insane. These guys didn't have any challenge, or it was so easy for them, but no, it wasn't. So I'm not saying that we are the king of the world and we have done something that nobody ever done before. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying our unfair advantages helped us, but we still had a big challenge, a big challenge that we had to overcome. And this is what it is and how we overcame it. So our biggest challenge was time and consistency. Because imagine this, you are a guitarist, you are a teacher and a father, and you have to make content that is not easy. Like being a guitarist alone is a job. Being a guitar teacher alone is a job. And being father is like a job, but like obviously most of the fathers have a job. But like we knew we would need weekly videos to build the audience and to make it work. So we knew we had to figure out something, a system that we can use to create content consistently and in a small period of time. But in the small period of time, create enough content that we can upload on a weekly basis. And this was our biggest challenge. So others couldn't really compete on quality, but they could compete on quantity. If they were just to post many videos, they would just take on over because we couldn't keep up with the same quantity. And this is what we did to fight this issue. We were doing batch recordings. I went over to his house and set up the camera, and we just recorded like 4 videos straight there. 4 videos, or maybe sometimes an interview. An interview is great because you ask questions, you know what your audience wants, so you ask the professional person a question and he just have to answer. And he has the knowledge to answer, but he doesn't really have to think about content. He just answers answers the question. And now you have an hour of footage of him talking about the biggest mistakes that you do, about how to start, about little tricks, and now you can cut out and create content based on that. Also, when we went to this trip, we created like 7 videos and we created a big interview which resulted in like 3-4 videos. So when we are recording a lot. So this is exactly what we did, how we did it, and how you can do it yourself. Of course, you will say, oh, I don't have the unfair advantage that this guy has, but you have other unfair advantages that this guy doesn't have. So I would say here are the key takeaways. Search for your unfair advantage, focus on solving the problem, and the money will come. Don't try to build a course or build a community, solve the problem, and then the money will come. And you have to stay consistent. It's that easy. You just have to create content that solves the problem, and you have to get paid to solve the problem more. And you have to do this a lot of times, weekly. And sometimes you miss an upload, it still works out. This is the power of becoming a creator CEO and building something that not only generates you money, but generates an impact in the people that you are teaching. So if you want something similar, we have a 6-day free sprint that is not a free course, it's a sprint that you can take if you comment or DM me sprint. And we'll talk about the basics and what you need to start. And if you follow this and you actually take action in this 6-day sprint, and this is why it's not a course, it's a sprint. You have to take action in these 6 days. But if you do, you will be on the right path to actually make this work and to start building your educational business.